Good morning, YouTube. This is Chris from Big Uglies. We are currently about to get my vehicle out and send it to the frame shop. Got Tony in the loader. He's about to go get it pulled out here. Scary watching it get picked up like that. Alright, we're all loaded up, about to head to the body shop.
Yeah.
I unfortunately forgot the impact bar, so we gotta run back to my house real quick and get that so I can have the bolts line up when we have the frame pulled. We'll give you some more content here in a minute.
What's going on, YouTube? Tony here with Big Uglies Garage. Finally gonna finish up the bodywork on the S550. Got my boy Jimmy here. He's a basically a master painter, body guy, whatever you want to call it. If it involves bodywork, he does it. He's gonna finish it up, getting it looking real nice, because the car goes this week for wrap. So trying to get this quarter done, make it look nice so that it looks nice under the wrap. Let's go over next door to the garage where he's at and go see how he's doing.
I mean, it's what we're. You ain't got no rubber gloves, do you?
Oh yeah. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Jimmy came over, knocked it out of the park. As you guys see, this thing turned out literally perfect from what it was. Completely wrecked Copart S550 to this. That says getting wrapped this week. So stick around for that video. Thank you, Jimmy, for getting it right. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Riley. Thank you, everybody who's helped me so far get this car where it's at. Until next time, like, subscribe. Peace.